What's up and welcome to this episode of 5 Minute Fix. Today we're going to be working on the ever so popular front brake caliper swap that many of the Datsuns use. The 240, 260, and 280Zs typically try to swap to a more powerful brake caliper. The cheapest way to do that is using a Toyota 4x4 4-piston brake caliper in the front. Now, when I first met with this customer, we discussed the options to paint, and that was the plan when he left. However, we're not going to do that. We're going to powder coat him. We invite you to come along and hope. that's a wrap for this episode of 5-Minute Fix for the Toyota 4x4 brake caliper upgrade for the 280Z. So that's how you strip them down, sandblast them, powder coat them, tape them off, and rebuild them with new seals. So if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll try to do my best to get around and answer them. As always, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.